Sit up as tall as you can. Allow the shoulders to relax. And we have begun. We will tuck the chin just slightly. Feel great. Now we'll flip the palms, still on the knees here, and we start to move in a circular motion with the sternum, the chest. So we're starting to create some movement here. And exhale, wiggle the fingertips, low and down. That's why your face makes it easy to trust
What is up, you guys? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. My name is Tawana if you're new here, and just want to tell you guys thank you for joining me on this lovely day. Of course, it's another vlog, and it's currently Saturday. What is today's date? So it is Saturday, April 16th, and yeah, I have a few things to do, not much today really. I did want to come on first just to say hello first of all, and thank you for joining me today. But I really wanted to show you guys my breakfast because you guys saw what I made. But look at this drink real quick. But my blueberry matcha actually came out pretty decent, you guys, this time around. So I just want to show you what it looked like a little closer. But look how good it turned out this time. Let me let it focus so you guys can see a little better. Yes. Definitely much better than what I tried last weekend for sure. So I'm gonna enjoy this aesthetic moment. So I'm gonna start off by eating first, and I'm gonna watch a little bit of this Netflix show that I've started, you guys. I literally started it last night, and I'm on episode 5. It's like a limited series called The Anatomy of a Scandal. Now, it starts off slow, but by episode 4, I was just like, what is going on here? So I definitely do highly recommend that show. If you have watched it, below, let me know what you think, but I do want to finish it up some point. But let me eat my breakfast and then join you guys quickly so we can do our errands for the day. All right, guys. So of course, just doing a quick outfit of the day. It is supposed to rain in like an hour or so. And first off, I'm going to the laundromat, so it's gonna take me a little minute out there. But yeah, I'm going to the laundromat because my comforter, my big white comforter, obviously, I wanted to get cleaned, and the small, like, you know, at-home machine that I have, it doesn't, like, it fits in there, but it's like stuffed in, so it doesn't get as clean as I need it to be. That's why I'm just gonna take it to like one of the big washing machines at the laundromat first off. But yeah, so for the fit, since it's gonna rain, I just kept it very casual. I put a hat on because I don't want to deal with possibly my, you know, glue and all that stuff if my head gets wet. Then I have this little two-piece set. Actually, it's like a legging and shirt, t-shirt set, kind of from Misguided. It's old, and I do love the shirt because it's like a drop shoulder sleeve. I think that's what they call it, but very casual. And with that, I just put on my black and white Vans, and then my Zara bag, which also is kind of old. But pretty much that's what we're wearing today. And what else we got to do? Yeah, I'm gonna grab the comforter right here, and I'll just take the pillowcases with me as well, just because, of course, they all just gonna get washed together. But apart from the laundromat, I do want to stop by this little Mexican grocery store to get really plantain. They have the best plantain. I'll tell you guys this for now, like, because the plantain in the other grocery stores, like, you know, like Walmart and those places, they just don't ripe right, to say the least. But the one at that little grocery store is always just ripe, perfect, sweet. So I'm gonna stop there and get some because I want to cook tomorrow. And since I'm cooking tomorrow, I don't think I'm gonna cook today, so I'll just stop by and like pick up some food somewhere. And that's pretty much it, I think, what we're doing today. So let me grab the, you know, bedspread and everything, and we can go.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal.
Alright, so back from outside, and if you hear a noise, I'm sorry, it is raining pretty heavy now. But let me show you guys, of course, what I went to get. You guys saw that I picked up the plantain at the store. Honestly, like, this place has the best plantain in the area. The best. They're actually ripe, unlike the ones like in the supermarkets and grocery stores. And then I got this little plantain chips. It's just a sweet plantain chips from this brand. I think it's might be Mexican or South American, but it's pretty good, honestly. It's doable. No saldanza, but it's good. I did get some cabbage because I do plan to cook tomorrow, so I'm gonna need that to do like some carrots and cabbage. And then I'm hungry, so I did stop by this little Thai food place and get me some pad Thai shrimp. Show you guys what it looks like real quick. Okay, so this is the pad Thai shrimp. This is pretty good, honestly, for like, again, the area. I had one when I was in Daytona Beach and it was so freaking good and authentic. Like, this one's also pretty authentic, but that Daytona Beach one, ooh, 10 out of 10. But yeah, so I did get that to eat because I'm not cooking today for sure. And then I actually also got me some more flowers. I was walking by the store and they had this really pretty, like this ones, which are like called cupcake palms. They also had them in blue. They had tulips. They had so many pretty flowers, and I was like, do I need you? No, but do I want you? Yes. So I did limit myself to just 2 bundles, 2 bouquets, my bad, instead of getting the blue as well, because I did get some flowers not too long ago, honestly, but they're not that good. Let me show you real quick. I did pick these up and they're just really sparse and I wasn't feeling it from the get-go. So that's why I was like, you know what? We're gonna have some nice Easter flowers since tomorrow is Easter Sunday. And I might just keep the white ones and add it together with the pink and yellow and make a bouquet. So let's do that. Well, no, I'm gonna eat first because I'm kind of hungry. So I'm gonna eat my Thai food and then we're gonna do the bouquet. Okay, so far, this is what I have. I'm gonna play with it a little bit more. I think I might want to like get the yellow and the pinks a little bit more together, but it's looking cute so far. That's pretty much it, you guys. I have much to do really today. So, well, I have some admin stuff to do really, which just means I have to get back with a brand or two email and then some actual stuff I need to do also for my job. So I might just catch you guys tomorrow or Sunday for Easter. And yeah, if anything else changes, you'll see me, of course, before that happens. But that's it for now.
Fine girl, you know your body bad. Same body bad, can make you shake it for Ghana. Yeah, can't dance it for me, baby man. Come and give me show, no.
Happy Easter, you guys. It is actually Easter Sunday and 12:35 p.m. So I actually went to church this morning. That's why I have on a little fit here. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. But I did like this green Zara bodysuit because, of course, I was like, I'm gonna put a little color since it's spring. This skirt I've had for a while from I Saw It First. It's a British website. So it's a little like leopard print with a little slit. Then I'm trying to show you a little bit, but I have on these heels from Shein, black little mules. And I did have a little blazer on, you guys, but I took it off because it got hot. But I did not go into people's church without, you know, some coverage, because if you're from the Caribbean, you guys know, like, church is like formal wear, formal attire, no in between. So I still kind of do dress modestly when I go to church. That's why I put that blazer on. And I did have, where's the bag that I wore with it? And then I did wear my green little Zara bag, just like this. So this is how I went to church this morning. But yeah, it is Sunday. Hope you guys are having a great, or had a great Easter by the time you see this video. Let me, hold on, put the camera up a little bit because you guys are pretty low right now. As I was saying, hope you guys have been having a good weekend, or had a good weekend, good day, whenever you're watching this. I don't have much to do today. I did say I'm gonna cook today because we, you know, ate out yesterday. And I think I'm gonna do, so I have salmon and a little bit of lamb chops left. So I'll do like salmon, lamb chops, probably some rice, and then obviously my plantain. And my mother always told me, you gotta eat a salad. Like, you gotta have a side salad. So we're gonna do a little cabbage and carrot. Very simple meal for lunch, and I'll meal prep a little bit for the rest of the week as well. But yeah, today I'm looking out the window, but today is just so beautiful compared to yesterday when it like started storming and raining. Church was really good, good service overall, but I'm just in a really good mood so far, and I'm excited to have a good day. I don't really have much planned, you guys, to be honest. Like, literally, I'm gonna cook my food and then chill for the rest of the afternoon. I need to finish that show I told you guys about, so probably that's what I'll do later. But I'm gonna get undressed, just get into something comfy, and see you guys in the kitchen. I just, well, got done eating and I cleaned up the kitchen. But actually, I did finish watching that show I told you guys about on Netflix called The Anatomy of a Scandal. And it was pretty decent. The ending was pretty decent. The show overall, I'll give like a 7.5 or 8 out of 10. So let me know if you guys watch it and what you think about it, if you do, because yeah, I enjoyed it. But yeah, but right now I don't have like anything much to do for the rest of Sunday. I had bulk filmed a lot the last like 2 weeks or so, so I have like videos I just need to edit. But I don't think I'm gonna edit right now. I'm just not in the mood to edit, so I might find something new to watch. I don't know, honestly. But that will be it for the vlog for this week. I know it might be short. I didn't really do much, like you guys noticed. The weather is also getting cloudy and dark again, so I think it's gonna start raining because it's supposed to rain like all through tomorrow as well. But just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end, as always, I really do appreciate everybody who, you know, tunes in. I really do appreciate every single bit of support that you guys show on this channel. It goes a very long way for me. So don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't to this channel. I have new videos. Oh, I did want to mention real quick, I'm having like a new posting schedule. So of course, you're gonna have videos on Sunday, and then I'm thinking of doing additional videos on Thursdays. I think that's really good. I've already started doing them on Thursdays. Like I posted one last Thursday and the one before that, yeah. So I'm thinking of doing like twice a week because I have quite a bit of videos already like filmed and just needing to edit. So kind of to get out the content quicker for you guys. Some are obviously like, you know, hauls, fashion related stuff. So I didn't want to post it too late where some things are out of stock and sold out. So that is a little bit of the reasoning, and obviously just posting more frequently should help the channel grow because it's hard to grow a YouTube channel now in 2022. And it's just like, sometimes you put in so much effort and you just feel discouraged when you don't really get the views, you don't get the likes when you do get the views. So it's like, what's happening? What's happening? But let me stop ranting. I might just go take a nap right now because it's about 4:30 and that is prime nap time, if you know. So I'll catch you guys on my new video pretty soon in a couple days. Until then, bye guys.